Hi everybody, Mason and Shelley with Just Adrift, and today we're doing something a little different, diving into the sounds of Lima. Day 6 of 14 of quarantine life here in Lima, and it's hard not to let the sounds of the city become a major part of your experience. Sounds. It is said you take away one sense and others become stronger. Close your eyes. Imagine the space all around you. You can hear in 7 different ways. Front, back, left, right, up, down, and within. What can you hear? Is there silence? What noise pops up? Can you hear better when you close your eyes? Open your eyes. Being isolated in the middle of 10 million people, we may not be able to see everything, but we can hear and feel this vibrant city all around us. "5 a.m. Magnificent birds. So many birds singing. It's beautiful. 7 a.m. The city is waking. 9 a.m. Sirens, construction, dogs, horns. "11 a.m. on the roof. We can finally see the highways below. Horns. Moving. Can I hear the ocean? Wind. Water. 3 p.m. Working, cleaning, moving, scrubbing. 7 p.m. "9 p.m. Singing, traffic, a bus, steam, music, laughter, police. midnight. It's finally quiet. The sounds of Lima.